All right, redoing all this. Pain in the neck. These things do fill up. Gonna try to do something different maybe. You know, I decided I'm gonna put this extra piece here at the beginning, but what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a paver in there, which will raise these things up. On the bottom of these planters, there's actually rock and then screening so it can drain out. There's a big hole on the bottom. I think if I get the right paver with like the ones I actually own already, they're kind of like a fake brick stamped, it may work and allow the water to dissipate. That was my main concern. So I'm gonna try to let this dry out. I gotta clean out all the rocks and then stamp it down with the tamper and then see what I can do here to improve on this, because you know what, it's just all the crud comes in on this side too. That's just how it looks. So yep, always something to do. Here's the finished product. Almost forgot. Did those two already. Working on this. I picked up this guy at Home Depot. Freaking guy's amazing.
¿Qué pasa, man?
Yeah. Guy's a hard worker.
Aquí?
Yeah. Hey, not bad. So this is what we did. We actually purchased some, I actually have these up top as my pavers. And the reason why I went with this is because the hole will be right in the middle. It'll be a nice channel for the water to get out. So sometimes what was happening is too much water. Sometimes these would fill up because it could not drain out. So now we screen it, put the rocks around it. We're putting this little border in just to try to keep the dust and dirt out more as much as possible. And that's it. We're on to the last one. That was quick.